A is for apple, red and sweet, bouncing and bobbing with a happy beat. B is for ball, rolling all around. Let's watch it bounce high off the ground. C is for cat, sitting on a mat, pouncing and playing, imagine that. D is for dog, wagging its tail, running and jumping down the trail. E is for elephant, spraying some water, big and gray, such a playful daughter. F is for fish, swimming under the sea, waving its fins so joyfully. G is for goat, standing in the sun, eating some grass and having fun. H is for hen, pecking at the ground, clucking and scratching, making a sound. I is for igloo, snowy and bright, penguins are playing, such a fun sight. J is for jaguar, swinging through the trees, dancing and wiggling with the greatest of ease. K is for kite, flying so high, soaring and twirling up in the sky. L is for lion, sitting by the lake, roaring and playing, no mistake. M is for monkey, swinging in the air, laughing and hopping without a care. N is for nest, glowing in the night, baby birds chirping, such a delight. O is for owl, perched in the orchard tree, looking around so curiously. P is for panda, bouncing in the playground, rolling and tumbling, laughing all around. Q is for queen, buzzing through the flowers, twisting and turning in magical hours. R is for rabbit, hopping near the river, nibbling on carrots, making us shiver. S is for starfish, swaying on the sand, waving its arms across the land. T is for tiger, playing by the tree, pouncing and nodding happily. U is for unicorn, magical and bright, galloping through rainbows, what a sight. V is for vulture, soaring up high, gliding and circling across the sky. W is for wolf, howling with glee, running through the forest, wild and free. X is for xylophone, tap the bright keys, making sweet music with playful ease. R is for yak, grazing on the grass, fuzzy and friendly as we all pass. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white, galloping and playing with all its might.